ISTQB Foundation Level, question 495. Under what circumstances would you plan to perform maintenance testing? 1. As part of a migration of an application from one platform to another. 2. As part of planned enhancement release. 3. When the test scripts need to be updated. 4. For data migration associated with the retirement of a system. Answers: A. 1, 2, 3. B. 2, 3, 4. C. 1, 2, 4. D. 1, 3, 4. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis. Let's look at all the statements from 1 to 4 according to ISTQB Syllabus. Statement 1 is true. Maintenance testing is needed when migration an application to a new platform, e.g. different operating system, hardware, or cloud environment, to ensure compatibility and functionality remain intact. Statement 2 is true. Maintenance testing is required for modifications such as feature updates, enhancements, or bug fixes to ensure they do not introduce regressions. Statement 3 is false. Updating test scripts is part of test maintenance, not maintenance testing. Test maintenance refers to keeping test cases or automation scripts updated, but it does not directly involve executing maintenance testing on their software. Statement 4 is true. When retiring a system, maintenance testing is required to validate data archiving, migration, and retrieval processes. In summary, all of the above leads us to the correct answer C. 1, 2, 4. My recommendation: please remember maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3, maintenance testing, in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the triggers for maintenance and maintenance testing can be classified as follows: modifications, option 2; upgrades or migrations of the operational environment, option 1; retirement, option 4. This is fully consistent with the correct answer C. 1, 2, 4. I think this question is not difficult for you. If you have thoroughly understood the definitions of this course, I wish you good luck on the Certified Tester Foundation Level exam. Don't stop, never give up.